Oh my god.
The perfect stamp of approval.
Cat food right on your leg.
Ah! Number one.
Wow. Wow, wow, wow. Wow, 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 wow.
Oh my god.
Nom nom nom.
Oh my god, she's so fat.
Don't say that to my cat. She is not fat. Her primordial pouch hangs low.
She's fat.
No.
Alright, go.
Man, this look pretty good, man. Where your clothes at?
Take this chip if you're from the government. No? No? Don't want to admit it out loud.
No. Take a shot. No. Take a shot. No. Bitch. Pen.
Came home and this was on the ground spilled. It was full.
Literally to the brim.
Kitten.
I kind of have OCD.
You mean obesity?
Theodore, where's Chippy? Fifi, where's Chip?
What in the world? Oh!
You got killed there. No running on the road. You come back when I tell you. You got your toy. Little smile boy with your toy. That's your toy.
Can I pet your puppy? Can I pet him?
Can I pet you?
No.
Oh. Shakira, 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 ¿eres tú? Wow.
Pav, you've come to collect your Rottweiler after a sleepover at Nanny's.
Hi.
Hey. Stop it. Get out of here.
It's Dave. I'd love to see you, brother. I know it's been a while. I got a couple of surprises.
Why are you up?
I gotta go to the bathroom real bad with spicy diarrhea.
No. No!
You're adopted. Yeah. You're not mine. You're adopted. Yeah. What the f-
Halo, are you ugly on purpose?
Oh my god. Hi.
I take protein.
Oh my God, you know what? This is really scary. Oogly boogly.
Show me someone that lives in your house rent-free but always has an attitude.
Lemmy, are you sitting on my toothbrush? Lemmy, that's disgusting.
Toffee, this is great. Thank you.
Don't beat yourself up over past mistakes. You are going to f up again in the future.
Are you big chillin' Cam? Or are you peeing on me? Are you peeing on
It's just a sock.
Ем чипсики. Спасибо.
Ay, qué bonito bebé. Tingiri dingi, tingiri dingi, tingiri dingi, tingiri dingi, tingiri dingi.
Touchy.
Remy, are you okay? You okay, Remy?
Guys, something's seriously wrong with my cat. She keeps making all these weird noises, waking me up when I'm sleeping. I've had enough, honestly. Come on, let's go to the vet.
Felix, get out of the freezer. Come on, get out. Yeah, your feet are sticking to the bottom. Yeah, come on, don't lick it.
I'm just gonna scooch in right here if you don't mind. Shh.
Has anybody ever looked at their wife and been like, damn it, damn it?
We're two best friends that anyone can have, and we'll never, ever, 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 ever leave each other. Oh.
Not all pee-pee times are poo-poo times. But all poo-poo times are pee-pee times.
Meow. 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 Meow.
Take it off!
I would rather die.
This is a domestic short hair. A long tail, big nuts, spread, and a big nice face.
Soul Scissor, why is it so hard to accept that the party is over? Girl, you got school in the morning. Get your ass in the car.
Thomas.
Boop.
You cannot just go around eating anybody that you want to. I cannot. No, you cannot.
Woof. 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 Woof.
Wait. Would you stop?
All right, people, I think it is time for a loaf check. Oh my goodness, we've got no tail, not a single paw visible. I think that's a 10 out of 10 loaf.
What's going on? Thank you, Patience.
The bloody dog. He been so bad today. He not listening to me.
Babe, are you going to bed? How'd you get under there? Oh, I'm sorry. Good night.
I punched the customer in the face. I'm just kidding. I walked past the wall.
Are you insane? Stop attacking. Immediately.
So did I just get a mini fridge because my rabbit's veggies took half of the space in my regular fridge, which upset my parents because they didn't have any space for their food? Yes. Yes, I did.
Ask for your ID. Where do you go?
Right down the road.
Right down the road. Oh, right there at the barracks.
Yeah, oh no, not the barracks road. It's past that, it's past the driving range. It's a minute.
Okay, okay. Just don't gag on it like you did last time.
Straight laser to the bozo's dome.
Oh! Oh, are you okay?
You love your puppy. Yeah.
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
I never see people post TikToks about what they actually look like when they wake up. Let's start a challenge. Duet this and show me what you...
Oh my god. Marlena. It's a bagel.
Be themselves. We need to put this on a poster. You know how like a lot of words. Like
Before I got a cat, I didn't know that I wanted a buddy, okay? But I have one now, and he just sits here while I'm doing my business, and I appreciate the
When it's picture day at the office and everyone has to dress up.
I like the outfit.
No entiendo. ¿Por qué? ¿Por qué estás enojado? ¿Por qué?
Get a cat, they said. It'd be fun. They said.
This is why you don't climb on the freaking counters. Augustus, calm down. Mommy's got you.
This? I'm just giving him a massage. He's had a rough day at the bakery. Nobody's appreciating the biscuits he's making. We see you.
Todo gusto le atendemos. Compramos carros y camionetas viejas para desarmar.
We're gonna have to sell your feet pictures. Oh.
Let me in, please.
Kiss your cat and see how they react.
So yan sama.
I literally watched her dig it out of the hole. Right when you were in. But just stop it.
Shut up, it is not.
Yes, it is.
No, it's not.
Yes, it is.
Coco, when mommy says stop, you say okay.
I'm just a baby.
But you still have to say okay, mom.
I'm just a baby. Biggie.
Who's buying this?
That would be my big fat ass.
And the car. Yes.
Bruh. Oh my god, I want to take him home. We can put him in the truck.
We can put him in the truck.
We can put him in the truck. Look at him.
Hey!
Uh-huh.
Show me someone that lives in your house rent-free.
Must take a stance against the LGBTQ community. I hate.
Excuse me. Excuse me. Excuse.
Stop it! It did not ask for consent!
Are we supposed to be chewing plastic? Are we supposed to be doing this? No. Is this what we're teaching our sister? To chew plastic? This is a no-no. You can get sick. Yeah, you can get sick, right?
Lufa, knock it off. Stop. Stop. All right. No.
If you
Ma'am, that's my breakfast. Oh, no! Oh!
What's that?
Really?
Cheddar cheese? There's so much cheese.
You're done. You're done.
Are you ready? Come on. Yay, bro.